In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google Analytics account in just 5 minutes. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that allows you to track and understand your website's traffic and user behavior. So if you're running a website, this is a must-have tool in your arsenal. Let's dive right in and get you started. First, open your internet browser and go to Google. Once there, you'll want to log into your Google account. If you're not automatically signed in, simply click the sign in button located at the top right corner of your screen. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account if you have more than one. After selecting the correct account, enter your password and hit enter. Next, look at the upper right corner of your Google homepage. You'll notice a small grid icon. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, revealing a multitude of Google services at your disposal. Scroll through the options and locate Google Analytics. Click on it. Google Analytics will open up in a new tab or window. Once you're in Google Analytics, you'll need to access the admin panel. Look towards the bottom left of your screen and click on the admin button. This will guide you to the admin page, which is crucial for setting up your account and properties. Right here, you'll see a prominent create button situated at the top left. Click on it, you'll be presented with several options and you need to choose property. This refers to the site or app you wish to track. Now it's time to provide some details about your property. Enter the property name. This could be the name of your website or app. After that, select the appropriate time zone and currency for your analytics reporting. These details ensure that your collected data aligns with your business's operations. Once you've filled out these fields, click Next. Now you'll add the industry category to give Google a sense of your business field. Following that, select your business size so that the analytics could be tailored to your scale. Crafted insights could differ vastly from a small startup to a large corporation. On to the next click, add your business objectives. Here you'll detail what you aim to achieve with Google Analytics, be it understanding audience behavior or increasing conversions. Specify your goals clearly to let the tool offer you insights that matter. After reviewing all your entries, hit Create to set up your property in the account. You may be prompted to select a platform. Use this option if you'd like to immediately integrate Google Analytics with a specific platform, or you can skip this step for now. And finally, click Continue to Home to enter the Google Analytics interface. And there you have it, your Google Analytics account is now set up. This setup will enable you to start gathering critical information to help you refine your digital strategy effectively. Thank you for tuning in and happy analyzing.